Hi, so for today's video, I will try to tell you that how you can download and install the Scala programming language development tool in your system. So as per my thought, it is quite easy. So let us begin. So you need to open your browser and navigate it to the scalalang.org. You will reach somehow page like this. This is the Scala's home page. Here is the download button, or here you can simply navigate to the download section. And below here it has specified the multiple download options, so you can choose any of these based on your system. So I probably prefer to go with the Scala, that is an archive file. You may have options multiple, like here is the Debian based operating system, Red Hat package manager based package, so you can choose any of these, or MSI for Windows, and you can install it in your system. But here is the option, as well as the it is quite small to download, so I will prefer to go with it. Now I have actually already downloaded this archive file at my desktop downloads folder. So as you are able to see, it is Scala 2.13.4. so you need to extract it using tar utility. So run tar.xvf and the archive name. So all the file has been extracted into Scala-2.13.4. You can simply move it into the directory. So here are the options, like bin, there is a documentation, there is library, licenses, and man page and notices. So you can read the license, and there is the information about the licensing of this software. So it is Apache license. So it is up to you that how you are gonna use. You have to read it. In the bin directory, you have number of utilities which are used in the Scala development process. You can verify here that whether it is proper or not. So as you are able to see that it is Scala code runner, means you can run it. Make sure as you will open this page, you will see that it is there is prerequisites for it. So first and very important, that you must have JDK 1.8 or 11 installed in your system. It might be any of these. It might be means Oracle JDK or Adaptive Open JDK or simply Open JDK, because I am using Open JDK here. You can verify it by running this command. So here I am using OpenJDK 11.0.9.1, and here is the build date and other information related to the JDK. Okay. Secondly, if you want to make some sort of project in it, so you must have to install IntelliJ IDEA or SBT. SBT is Scala built-in testing tool, and it is a command line utility, whereas IntelliJ, as you may be aware, that it is a full-fledged IDE built by JetBrains, and it is quite fantastic actually. So now as you have extracted this file, so just grab this path and add it into your cell configuration file. Okay, so in the both cells, in the bash RC as well as in ZSH cell, in the both the path will be added in the exactly same way. So simply path, then we are appending actually it into the path, and colon, and then the path where is your bin directory exists. You can have a simple Scala home first, and like this, and later you can overwrite it Scala underscore home likewise. So it is up to you that how you are going to use. So you can either simply refresh your cell configuration file, and you can check it. Now you can run it from anywhere, or you can close it and rerun it. Now you can verify it once again likewise. So now you are you have access of your Scala tool into your system. You can simply run Scala interactive terminal. It will take a little bit of time. Yeah, actually, I'm trying to verify that everything is working fine. So as you are able to see here, that here I am declaring a variable and assigning it 1 plus 1. So it will return a value that var x is a type of int, and the 1 plus 1 will be 2. You can later use it in any way, like printing and so. So as you are able to see, I am printing x, so it is actually 2. So I hope that you understand it, that how you can set up a Scala environment in your Unix based system. You can actually set up this archive file in Debian based operating system like Unix, Ubuntu, Debian itself, Mint. I'm using actually Parrot OS, so it is a Debian based operating system. It will be exactly same. You can also use the same way to set up it into the Red Hat, CentOS or Fedora, and exactly same way to set up it into the Mac. Now in the recent version of Mac OS, you may have ZS H cell, actually Z cell usually it is pronounced. So the path will be added into the exactly same way, but the file name will be ZSHRC file instead of bash RC file. Okay, so I hope that it is helpful for you. If it is so, then thumbs up for the video and share it with your friend. Thank you for watching it. Have a nice time. Thank you. Happy coding.